love it. We're really happy. We've been waiting a long time to do it, and it's like almost living in a new house. It's wonderful. We took the cabinet down that separates the TV room from this room, and it just opened everything up, and backsplash is wonderful. We can't believe it's as nice as it is.
I'm bowled over. The kids just can't believe that this is their house anymore. It's so gorgeous. Everything we do in here, I don't know if it's making our cooking any better, but it's making it a lot more fun to be in the kitchen. This is a Lazy Susan, and normally, you know, I have to be on all fours and scrambling through for all my refrigerator dishes. And this is just so nice and neat and organized, and I can find exactly what I need. What about the trash, Ray?
The trash is really great. You open this up, and there's the trash in there, and I love the way these drawers close. And everything, I just love to do this sometimes. I just get a kick out of doing it and opening them up and closing them and watching them kind of slowly close. That's really nice.
Perfect.
Two other things. Look at the detail on this cupboard. I mean, we picked everything, you know, through materials, but when you look at the beautiful little line, the color of the wood, these handles are amazing, just a perfect match. And then just because we aren't getting any younger, you know, it's really worth the price of being able to put a few of these in so you don't have to be scrounging around on your hands and knees. Really nice. I'm going to answer this one because, like I mentioned before, we have never done this before. As you see by his t-shirt, 10 Reasons to Procrastinate, it took us 22 years to muster the nerves to do the kitchen because of the expense and everything. I will say that when Carlos came and responded to us, because we kept texting and sending emails, so nervous about this, nervous about that, and then he came down to meet with us one night after work, way late, and he sat down and, you know, we were expecting like a sales job, someone just like, oh no, it'll be okay, that'll be okay. He answered every single one of our questions and he really made the experience extra nice.
It was really good. Carlos would answer all of our questions. He calmed us down when we got a little crazy, and it was a really nice experience. It worked. Everything worked fine, and we're very happy with it.
Avo came in, and I think we tried to have a lot of people in here just to get quotes beforehand, and they kept telling us what we should do to our kitchen and going way out of budget. And Avo kind of first came in, looked at the kitchen, he said, okay, so what do you want? And then, you know, we kind of parted down to what our budget was.
I think Sam really impressed us.
Yeah.
He was just, he just knew exactly what he was doing. He gave us everything we wanted, and there seemed to have been a couple of questions, maybe we were going to get this in place of that, and we got everything we wanted, and it just, the cabinets are just beautiful. We're really happy.
Yeah, Sam's really cool, and you can tell he's got a good attitude and experience working with people who have never done this before, because we're all nervous around him and stuff like that, and he's just like, you know, really delivers a nice product. Beautiful cupboards.
The price was about $15,000 less than we were quoted for comparable things from other people. Payless Kitchen does a great job. The price was very reasonable, and you know, we feel like it was very good. It was fine. We would definitely recommend Payless Kitchens as the first person you call when you're looking to do your kitchen over.